And welcome back to Panhandle Sports Weekly. I'm Scott McKinney. Thanks again for watching us here on 30A TV, and make sure you stay tuned in to 30A TV for all the great programming we offer every day here. And don't forget, you can always go back and watch our shows on demand by logging on to 30A.tv anytime throughout the week. We're very pleased to have a special guest joining us to talk a little college football. And if you're a fan of college football, you definitely want to pay attention to what we're about to talk about, a fantastic new website and a new program that I think will pique your interest. Bryant Malone joins me now. Bryant, good to see you. Thanks for coming in here this afternoon.
I appreciate you having me.
All right, so your website is called collegefootballgamepicker.com. And truthfully, that says it all, but tell everybody, what is collegefootballgamepicker.com?
Well, it's basically a site that picks college football games using computer-generated team football stats. And I have been developing software for about 25 years. Just sent my last kid off to college, so had some time on my hands and figured, you know, what the heck, I'm going to go ahead and write a program to pick college football games. And so far, it's done pretty well, and you know, I've enjoyed doing it too. So.
Well, and it's a unique concept, and you've showed it to us, and I would encourage our viewers to make sure you go on to collegefootballgamepicker.com and check it out for yourself. There's a lot of painstakingly, I guess, input that goes into putting all the statistical information, keeping it updated every week. It's not just, hey, you're putting the two teams in and you're using a couple of variables. You've got a lot of different information that goes into this, making these decisions.
It is. I mean, we're putting in all kinds of stats, such as rush defense, you know, rush offense. I mean, you can, you know, go through and look at all once you go on the site. But strength of schedule against the spread average, and we, you know, match up two teams. You take all those stats, and it gives you, you know, the spread that the game picker thinks is going to be for the week, and then you can look at the Vegas line and see the difference, and you can see where Vegas is sometimes cheating lines a little bit, and I, you know, I've seen that, which I didn't expect, but I have, and it's been very interesting. So it's kind of fun, just, you know, be able to go in there and take a look. So.
And one of the things too, Brian, as I've looked at this website, which is amazing, and the accuracy that's it's uncanny the way it's able to do this. It's essentially taking all this information you put in, it's running the numbers, and it comes forth with what is a projected point differential. And as you were telling me off the air before we started the show tonight, it's been pretty successful, even last weekend, for example.
Yeah, last weekend we went 30-19-3 against the spread, which, you know, if you've followed Vegas lines, if you're hitting above 50%, you're doing pretty well, and that's picking every game. That's not just picking favorites for the week. That's picking every single game for the week. And also, you know, each week I give a free Thursday night pick and a three free weekend picks. And last weekend the weekend picks went 3-0 as well. So it was a good week, and you know, with the statistical website, you know, things tend to get better as you get more stats in. So hopefully, you know, we'll get them better as the year goes. So.
It's really a cool website, and you are offering it in a subscription-based service, and it is unbelievably affordable right now. I mean, it's very inexpensive for viewers. If they want to go out there, check it out, and they can log on to collegefootballgamepicker.com and then subscribe. And once they subscribe, though, they're going to get the full, I guess, gamut of all picks.
Yes, it's $20 for the whole year, so it's not a whole lot at all. It's just basically just, you know, get, you know, $20 and you can get every pick for the rest of the year, and you know, it's you know, it's cheap, and you can go in there and look at every single game and click on a graphic, and it shows you the matchup within seconds for every game of the week. So I mean, it's a very good deal as far as, you know, I'm not asking a whole lot for it. And this week I've got actually got a discount code, 30ATV, that you know, $5 off. So it's really $15 for the whole year, and you're getting, you know, well above average on your picks, and you know, you can go in there and look at it and see what the better picks of the, you know, the best picks of the week are. So,
exactly. And folks, you heard that. So when you go to his website, collegefootballgamepicker.com, use the coupon code 30ATV, the promo code 30ATV, and that'll save you $5. But for $20, I mean, come on, for the year. And by the way, this is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, you understand that? And I think if you keep that in mind, obviously you can use that if you're somebody that, if you're a big college football fan that just likes to kind of get an idea. Maybe you're picking games in your office pool.
Exactly.
Maybe you're picking games with your family, or maybe you're a little more serious. Maybe you head out to Vegas every weekend. But it still gives you more data to be able to look through.
Oh yeah, it gives you great educated guesses at each game, and you can tell the ones that are better than others. There's some that are really tight, and then there's some you look at the spread and the game picker, and you're like, wow, that's a pretty good pick this week. So.
And you were telling me, of course, I've got a very special guest, Rob Neal, who we call Gator Rob, will be on coming up in the show here in just a bit. And he and I are going to be discussing the Florida Ole Miss game. And what did you tell me that the picker has picked for that game?
It actually picked Ole Miss by 11 points. Not quite 42-14 like I've heard some people say, but 11 points. 11 points, but
that is more than the current spread of 7, though.
Yes. So that would be a strong swing to the Ole Miss if you were going to be picking that game. So yeah, that's one of the bigger spreads this week as far as the games go.
And see, that one was free, folks. So now, if you want the Georgia-Alabama game or the Notre Dame-Clemson game or any other game, you're not just picking the games in the South. You're doing games all across the country, right?
Yeah, and I will say sometimes the lesser-known games like Appalachian State last week, I picked them as one of my big picks of the week, and that was a runaway. And nobody knows Appalachian State, but if you look at the stats, you can get some inside picks that are pretty strong. So. And
it's all based on great factual information. All the statistics are updated every week, and there's hundreds of them that go into this computer system, into this program, and it goes through, and like you said, it does the matchup. So again, go on the website, collegefootballgamepicker.com, collegefootballgamepicker.com, and then check it out for yourself. It's only $20 for the entire year. That's going to go up as the next few years roll by. I can promise you that. So you'll want to get on the ground floor and use the promo code 30ATV to save $5. So I'm looking forward to getting on there. I've already been on there a few times and see just how well my picks match up. My picks are pretty infamous.
Yeah. I've heard.
You've heard. Well, Bryant, thanks for coming in, man. It's good to see you. Appreciate you. You guys check out his website. If you're a college football fan, it's going to become a must-see place to be every weekend to get ready for the big game. And we appreciate Bryant Malone for coming by and sharing it with us on collegefootballgamepicker.com. We'll take a break. We'll come back. We'll break down that Ole Miss Florida matchup. You're watching Panhandle Sports Weekly on 38 TV.